Good morning, guys, and this is the gas for your flight on September 3rd, 2010. Stand up. I know you're depressed. Your money is acting funny. People are talking behind your back. People are talking about you to your face. Your job, your boss, your car's acting up. Bills, they are overdue. Stop sitting in this seat and stand up. You are important. You are important. You have to get that in your spirit that you are important. Stop allowing for this thing to hold you down. Stop sitting and wondering about your dream. Stop sitting and wondering how you're going to make it, and stand up and start walking into your destiny. You guys, we have a 3-day weekend. Get into your secret place. Get quiet, get silent, and start thinking about those things and start acting on those things. Stand up. Make an action out of your life and not just stay stagnant. You already know who I am. I'm David Robertson, the face of hope. If you're on Twitter, follow me, the stand-up guy, the face of hope. Follow me. Go to my website, davidrobertsoninc.com. You guys, please, this weekend, enjoy yourselves. Stand up and fight for your life. It's your life. You stand up. You make a difference. I'll speak to you guys soon. I'm excited about your future.